Hi, I'm George. I'm a software developer here at Schroders. I started my career back when I was 18 years old using the government-backed apprenticeship scheme that Schroders took up and used it to fund their apprenticeships. I think it's a great way for young people to get involved in careers, and it's a great alternative to university too. But other companies do have grad schemes as well. So I work here as a software developer, and that's a very growing path right now for a lot of young people. It's a massive gap in the market, and more people are starting to pile into it, and that's great. So my role here at Schroders can essentially be split into three aspects at a high level: the design, the maintenance, and delivery. So when I talk about design, I'm talking about the very obvious things like a UI design, making sure it looks good, it looks appealing, it's easy to use. You don't want anything that's really that complicated. Also making sure our systems and applications that we build are secure. We don't want to be opening up ourselves to any sort of security threat. And it's also the architecture, making sure it's well designed and well built and it's robust. So if I was to suddenly leave the company, whoever takes over after me will be able to look after the system with relative ease. And it's also the maintenance aspect where I write code, but I've also got to look after it, and that comes when the business asks for new functionality or there's an issue that's found and we've got to go and fix it. We operate with a lot of different technologies here at Schroders. So there's AWS, Microsoft Azure, .NET, Python, React. There's something here for almost everyone. And there's also a delivery aspect where we have to liaise with stakeholders, making sure what we're building and designing is actually useful to them and their users. And then also managing workload, so making sure we work at a pace which works for us and works for the business, and making sure the work is broken down enough for it to be easily picked up. And there's also the planning/timing aspect, making sure when we're delivering software, it's on time and making sure that time is roughly agreed. And there's also another one which is a bit understated, being able to motivate a team to work and creating a team spirit and having a culture of collaboration and being able to work together. It's something which doesn't really get spoken about a lot, but it's an incredibly important part of almost any role. You've got to be able to work with other people, and you've got to want to work with other people. You're going to be surrounded by people for all of your professional life, and it's important to engage with them. That is my role, and thank you for listening.